Hey guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel, and also follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thanks again. All right, we are going to do the very first ever Draco versus
Cessna 150.
Cessna 150. So we'll see what happens. We did the
Dueling Dracos.
Yep, we did the Dueling Draco. So now we're going to see exactly which one is a better flyer, or do they fly the same? So we'll see. You ready, Jay?
Good.
This is some high quality nerd stuff.
We probably don't need to go way down there.
No. All right. You go ahead. I'll let you take this off.
Yeah, we'll take off the same time.
All right. Let me just make sure I'm not gonna hit yours.
You're a long way away.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we'll roll.
You ready? Take it off. Nice. There we go. Cool, man. Take a left-hand turn. Mine's climbing. I can already tell you mine flies slower. So the Draco definitely flies slower. The Cessna 150 has to fly a little faster. We can see that, right? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I'm a little over half.
All right.
And I'm pulling you.
All right. And I'm at a quarter throttle. So I'll go to half throttle. Yep, I'm at half throttle right there.
And you're smoking me at half.
I've got a 4-bladed prop, so.
This is cool.
Oh, that's cool. Awesome. All right, so it flies very good.
Make a left.
Make a left turn. Oh, that's cool. Coming in on the low.
You gonna do a high speed?
Yep. All right. Oh.
Sorry.
All right, Jeff. Don't make me land this thing.
All right, high speed, go.
All right. I'm full speed right there. That's where I think you're gonna win. Yep. You're gonna win. Because I got a 4-bladed prop. I'm still climbing. We're both climbing. I'm still climbing.
Me too. This is awesome.
I had to fall out. I couldn't tell which way mine was going.
I'll fall out.
So we've got unlimited vertical. Both of them do. I'm just cruising with no power.
Yeah, me too.
And we're still floating, so that's good.
I'm gonna drop flat, just partial.
All right.
Just to see if I can slow it down.
I'll drop my flaps, half flaps. Oh my gosh, look, it literally just stalled in the air, dude.
Yeah, that's like me if I put full flap on yours.
Yep, so it floats better. Half flaps.
I'm full flat.
And
we're just floating.
Yeah, we're just literally floating. That's ridiculous.
That's pretty cool.
It is very cool. Coming in. I almost don't like the way it flies with the flaps down, to be honest with you. It's so slow. All right, flaps up. The cool thing is the lights. We can definitely see the lights. So I'm gonna come in low and slow. Here I come. Here I come. Putting along. Look at that. So we definitely know
the Draco can slow down a lot better.
Yeah, the Draco can definitely float. So you're probably going to get longer flight times, right?
Sure.
But yours is definitely faster, but you got the 2-bladed prop. It if we switch this one to 2-blade, I'm sure it would be faster. That's something else we got to do next. Look at that, dude. That's cool. Coming up, full throttle. Left hand turn. Coming around. Slow roll. All right, dude. I'm gonna set up for a landing.
All right.
So, we'll see which one can land the slowest. That's probably dangerous because we
Yeah,
can,
I'm not doing that.
Yeah. That's how you crash. So, all right, here we go. Coming in. I haven't touched the throttle at all. Coming in. Coming in. I'm down. Jeff's down. So, nice, man. Nice.
That was cool.
Draco versus Cessna 150 complete. Nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And there we go. Look at those lights.
Let's see if we can stole this. Watch this.
Yeah, you can see.